Hey everyone, Donna here. For today's Canva tutorial, I'm going to show you the shadow option they've added for photos. Let me just add a photo. Once you add your photo, you'll see effects. Click on effects. Now you may need to add this to your effects menu option. Go all the way to the bottom and you'll see you may also you'll see shadows. I already have it added here, but here's how you add new options. Click on it and you'll see connect, and just click on connect and it will add it to your list of effects that you can use. So let me go back to shadows. See all. We have glow, drop shadow, angle, curved, page lift, and backdrop. Once you select, let's go back to curved. When you select an option, here's the drop shadow. You'll see these gears. Click on there and you can change the settings. I can change the curve. And if I go all the way negative, it goes in the opposite direction. You can change the offset, transparency to softer, all the way to a solid. The same with the blur. You can adjust the blur. And the color. You can change it to any color that you want. Once you're happy with your settings, click on apply, and that will set the changes that you made. So let's look at one other one. Effects, go to shadows, select all, and let's look at angle. Here's the angle, and I have the gears, so I want to adjust some of these settings. I can change the angle so it shows more, or I can go the opposite direction for the angle. Again, then you have the transparency option to make it more solid. If you want solid, you can change the blur. And this setting here brings it all the way so it's just solid, and then change the color. Once you're happy with your settings, again, click on apply, and it will set those settings the way you made the changes. Check to see if you have this. I am not sure if it's only for pro version people or everyone will see this option of shadow. Have fun in Canva. Any questions, put them below. I'll be back next week with another tutorial.